Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Mohammed Akil. Today we are going to discuss about Pandas. Pandas is a data analysis and manipulation tool from Python, which is open source and easy to use, and which is powerful. Basically, Pandas is used in machine learning to build machine learning models. Now we see the important features of Pandas. The first feature of Pandas is it supports many different formats of data files. Like if you have a CSV file, Excel file, or JSON file, you can easily import the different formats of files into a working environment, and you can work on the different files. And the second feature is working with large data sets. You can easily import large size of data sets into a working environment and perform different operations on the data set using Pandas. The next feature is feature engineering. As we know that data analysts, data scientists, machine learning engineers, their 60% of work is on feature engineering. To perform feature engineering effectively, Pandas can be used. And the next feature is indexing, slicing, subsetting large data set. It simply we can say that we can view selected columns or selected rows with some conditions is called indexing, slicing, subsetting of data. And the next feature is merging and joining two different data sets. Using Pandas, we can merge and joining different data frames or series data frames by some condition. And the next feature is reshaping. It is transforming of tables and vectors to perform data analysis. And next, we will discuss data structures in Pandas. There are three different data structures in Pandas, that is series, data frame, panel, but we are not going to discuss panel in this video. We use syntax import pandas SPD to import the pandas library in a working environment. And the first data structure is series. Series is represented in one dimensional and it is created using list. The syntax to create series is pd dash series data comma index. Here index is default value, but you can give by manually also. And the second data structure is data frame. It is represented in two dimensional. It is created using list and dictionary. The syntax to create data frame is pd dot data frame data comma columns. Here columns is default, but you can give manually also. Implementation of uh, series and data frame. So first we'll implement series data structure. Then we will implement data frame. So first we'll implement series. To implement series and data frame, first we'll import pandas library. Import pandas has we'll run it. So now pandas is imported. Now we'll create a list. Okay, share data money. Now I will pass this list as argument to the series. Here series in series the it should be capital. Okay, now we'll run it. So as you can see here, the index value, I didn't give an index value. By default, it has taken. You can give the index value also. Let me copy it. Now we will give the index values. The four values. Index equal to 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5. See here 2, 3, 4, 5. The index which I have given, it has taken. Next, we will create data frame. To create, we can create data frame using list and dictionary. List, comma, DIC. Now we'll create data frame using list, then we'll create it by dictionary. So already we have a list. Simply we'll pass that list as argument to the data frame. So here D and F should be capital in data frame. In series only S should be capital. In data frame D and F should be capital. It will throw error if you don't mention it in caps. We'll pass L. See, we have created a data frame. Now we'll give the column name. So actually we didn't give any column name. By default it has taken 0. But now we'll give it the column names. COLUMNs, columns, names. Okay, I have given the column name. It has taken column name as names. So next we will create the data frame using dictionary. Let me create a dictionary first. D is equal to name x JDC name comma their rule numbers Now we'll pass this dictionary as argument to the data frame. There is no need to mention columns. Already we have given columns as name and roll number. Hello name. See, you have created two columns and three rows. So this is the implementation of data frame and series. Please like the video and share, subscribe my channel. Hope you like the video.